Morning students, page number 14. Derive equation for electric field at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole. For that we need to consider an electric dipole, and this electric dipole is having an electric dipole moment P equal to charge into dipole length. So let us consider a point P. So this is a electric dipole plus Q charge minus Q charge separated by a distance 2a. The center of the dipole is O. This line is called axis of the dipole. So this axis can be extended in this direction and in this direction, and this line is called axial line. So this is a point P, a general point P on the axial line. It can be anywhere, here, anywhere it can be. So we consider this is a point P. Here we want to find out the electric field. So this point P is located at a distance r, from the center of the dipole. So at the point P there are two electric fields. Due to plus Q charge, there is an electric field E plus Q that is acting in this direction. This is a vector E plus Q. Again, due to the minus Q charge, there is an electric field at the point P acting in this direction. This vector is E minus Q, electric field due to minus Q charge. It is acting towards the minus charge. So how will you find out the final electric field here? We will write equation for these two electric fields like this and add them to get the final electric field here. Okay, we'll start. So what is the electric field E plus Q due to plus Q charge? It is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by R minus A square. Why it is R minus K? This distance is a small distance that can be found out by R minus A. Again, due to the minus Q charge, here there is an electric field that is E minus Q. Okay, this is E minus Q. What is the equation? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, the same Q divided by R plus A square. Why it is R plus A? This is a large distance, is it? It's a large distance. So that can be found out by R plus A. And why we don't write a minus Q here? We are interested only on the numerical value. We will consider the sign while we doing the summation. And do you know why this electric field is more in length? Because plus Q is closer to P. And why it is less in length? Because minus Q is comparatively at a larger distance. So less electric field is in this direction. Okay, so we'll go on. Now the total electric field at P is, we call it as EP, electric field at P, in that way. So EP is E plus Q minus E minus Q. Why? E plus Q is has more magnitude. So while we have to take the sum, we have to subtract from a larger magnitude one to the lowest magnitude one. So we are going to take the subtraction. So the common factor is Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 and in square brackets 1 by R minus A square minus 1 by R plus A square. So we continue. So if you take the common as denominator, it is R minus A square into R plus A square. That can be written in a split manner as R minus K square is R minus A into R minus A into multiplied by R plus A into R plus A. And in the numerator, this one go in this way, this one go in this way. So that is, this one go in this way. So it is R plus A square minus this minus. This one go in this way. So it is R minus A square. So in the next step, we will open the bracket. R plus A square is in the A plus B the whole square format. So it is R square plus A square plus 2RA minus, this minus is here, and the other thing we will be expanding in three terms, putting in a bracket r square plus a square minus 2ra. Minus 2ra. And denominator, we will write in this way. In the denominator, r minus a into r plus a. R minus a into r plus a is r square minus a square into, there is another set, similar set, r minus a into r plus a. That is again r square minus a square. Okay, we will continue. So in the next step, in the numerator, this plus r, we will take the minus sign within the bracket. So the first term become minus r square, the second, this one become minus a square, this one become minus into minus plus 2ra. So in that manner, after expanding, we can cancel out r square with minus r square, a square with minus a square, plus 2ra, that will become 4ra. And the denominator, we have got r square minus r square into the same r square minus r square. So what we write? R square minus a square, the whole square. So that's the thing comes in the denominator. Okay, now we'll go with some other things. We are arrived at this equation, q by 4 pi epsilon 0, and within bracket numerator 4ra, denominator r square minus a square, the whole square. So we have this equation, dipole moment P equal to q into 2a. So we can write this 4 as 2 into 2. So we can extract q into 2a here into 2r. So instead of q into 2a, we will write it as p here. In the next step, we replace q into 2a with p, and we will get one equation, a general equation for electric field at P as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P into 2r divided by r square minus a square, the whole square. So let us put it as equation A. Okay, so this is general equation for electric field due to a dipole, without considering that dipole is a small, very small thing. If two charges are separated by a little distance, we can use this equation. And in the case of a real dipole is very small, so that this A is less than R. A means half the dipole length. Dipole is very small, so A is less than an distance to an outer point. So A square will be much less than R square. So here, since this second term, A square in the subtraction case is very less, we will neglect that term and we take only r square only. So that's why we written r square minus a square approximately equal to r square itself. So this equation A becomes, in practical case, this equation becomes electric field at P equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2pr divided by r raised to 4. You see, this r square, the whole square become r raised to 4. So this is a final equation we are getting. We can cancel one of the r here. Here it is r, here is r raised to 4. This is a final equation. One of the r will go. Electric field at P equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2p by r cube. Okay, this is a magnitude value of the electric field at a point P along the axial line. Now about the direction. Direction of the electric field is always in the same direction of the dipole moment. You know what is the direction of dipole moment? It is from minus charge to plus charge. From minus charge to plus charge. In this direction, it is. In this direction is acting. Or you get the figure here. This vector is more compared to this vector. So resultant will be in the towards left direction, or same of the dipole moment direction. So you may be having doubt that what if the point is come here, P is coming here. Then also the case will be same. The electric dipole moment will be in this direction, towards left direction. So hope you can understand the things. And the final equation, once again, this is a final equation for electric field. Okay.